Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. Master Flash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks, with a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Residential Master Flash, aluminum base. This installation guide will cover the residential Master Flash. They are designed for wood shingles, asphalt shingles, clay tile, residential applications. The residential Master Flash is available in 5 sizes made of EPDM rubber and available in high-temp silicone, covered from 1/8 inch to 18.5-inch pipes. The one-piece flashing allows for 5 easy step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Residential Master Flash. Materials needed: measuring tape, marker, scissors or snips, hammer, roofing nails, and sealant. Step 1. Measure the pipe diameter and cut the flashing 20% smaller than the pipe. Pipe diameters can be seen clearly for proper fitting. Step 2. Slide the flashing down the pipe to the roof surface. Step 3. Outline the base with a marker. Step 4. Apply sealant inside the marked roof surface. Step 5. Place and nail shingles at the top and around the flashing. Complete the installation, nailing the flashing to the roof surface. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved! Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality Master Flash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.